In this short video, I'll show you how to use Mozilla Hubs to access Mary Pfeiffer's E.N. Thompson Forum presentation. When the room loads, you'll be in the lobby. If you have a VR headset, you will click the white button. If you're on a mobile device or a laptop or a desktop computer, like I'm on a laptop, you will click, as I will do, the pink Enter Room button. On the next screen, you're given the option to change your automatically generated username and the 3D avatar that will represent you inside of the Hubs room. So I'm going to change my name to my actual name, but I will leave my avatar as is and click Accept. Once again, you will click the button that pertains to you and the device that you're using. So I'm on a laptop, so I will click the pink Enter on Screen button. And Mozilla Hubs requires mic permissions, so you will go through this procedure, hitting Next. And then here for the audio setup, the first thing I would ask of you is to please mute your microphone so that when you enter the room, your microphone is not on. And then, very crucially, click the little pink speaker button here and listen. You should hear that tone. Now that tone will indicate that your speakers or your headphones are working properly and that you will be able to hear what's going on. You will be able to hear Mary Pfeiffer speaking inside of the Hubs room. And once your audio is set up, hit Enter Now, and you will be taken inside of the Hubs room. Now, when you click and drag your mouse, you're able to look around, and as the blue bubble here indicates, the W, A, S, and D keys on your keyboard let you move forward with W, backwards with S, left with A, and right with D. Now you can also use your arrow keys, and they will move in the directions as indicated. You can also use your Q and E keys to rotate in place. And the object generation feature has been disabled in this room. And so you can click and drag, and you can use your keyboard keys, and you can move around. And I would encourage you to check out the walkway that Josiah Morgan has put together out here. And when it's time for Mary Pfeiffer's talk, please take a seat. And the live stream of her presentation, of her talk, will automatically play, but you have the ability to adjust your own volume as you see fit. When you take the little gray dot that is controllable by your mouse, you can click the minus or positive buttons that will appear on the screen. And if you have any questions or concerns, there will be a moderator in your Hubs room. So please approach them with any questions or concerns, and you can type them in the chat bar at the bottom, or you can unmute yourself and you can speak to the moderator directly that way too.